Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to transform different boxes which are lying in the house into utility boxes in a very simple and easiest way. And to make this, very less materials are required. I chose a gift box, a phone box and a shoe box for this. Most of the phone boxes have a very good finish on the outer side, so we need not paint them at all. So here the gift box is also having a very good finish, so I am not going to paint it. So let's make the marking first on the box. Now paint the marked edge using white acrylic color. Paint the edge of phone box also. Here I painted the shoe box as it doesn't have any color. In fact, I painted this 4-5 years before and started using it since then. But now I felt it's high time I should beautify it a little bit. Recently, my cousin sent this video of the box which I made and given it to them 5 years before, and they are still using it. On this box I used glass colors, and the semicircles on the box are old CDs. Now we will make some design using Fevicryl 3D outliner. You can make any design of your choice. I made fine dots with white 3D outliner to give neat finish to the edge of white painted part. Now we will add some more detailing on the box. We'll make similar design on other two boxes. So this is how you can utilize your boxes which you are going to throw into beautiful utility containers. So this is what Art Around House is all about. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.